Hey guys!
Hello everyone.
Hi everyone, I'm Aaron.
Hi everybody!
Hi everyone!
Hi, my name is Joey.
This is my game for the Gamemakers Challenge.
We are the V-Bros.
You have to try and maintain the planet health for as long as you can.
And as you can see, I just touched the laser and now it's game over.
The player faces waves of obstacles that it has to avoid in order for it to achieve the highest possible score.
You can move around using the WASD keys as well as the mouse button to shoot and the mouse pointer to look around.
The length of the caterpillar becomes longer every time the player scores a point.
The color will be 20, then it'll get thick, like that.
And you need to use the key Z to go into attack mode. As you can see, there's a different sprite for the attack.
This was the biggest challenge that we faced, which we fixed by making these huge equations. And since they're quite complex, we're quite proud of it, really.
It took me quite a long time to code, but it was really enjoyable, and I've tried some new stuff that I haven't really done before.